Hello, this is Purva Godambe from Student Research Cell.
And this is Hiba Pathan from Student Research Cell. We welcome you to this session where we will talk on how you can choose a research problem. Legendary described that where there is a problem, there is a research, or no problem, no research. Well said by a researcher, Charles Catherine, a problem well stated is half solved. 6 tips that are very adaptive and useful while framing a research problem are discussed herewith. Number 1. Identify concepts and terms. After identifying an apt research topic you want to study, go through the topic and chalk out main concepts and terminology. For example, if your study is based on education, so your keywords will be examination, education board, system, schools.
Note, write important points on a piece of paper and preserve.
Number 2. Broadening and narrowing an concept. After chalking those concepts, try to make out which topic really has a problem in your view, or choose those which are in subject to your interest.
Carrying on the same example, out of which some keywords founded by me, I choose to opt for education system. Now broaden it by which state shall you consider education system?
Remember, narrowing your topic does not eventually mean that you need to broaden those concepts. Number 3. Reading and reviewing related literature. Now the immediate step you take is to read all those related articles and portions of a paper which are directly related to your topic. Chalk what are findings of other researchers. There is a deep possibility for you to find what points you can criticize easily.
Remember to keep those literature links with you as it may help you to do the next step. Number 4. Claiming your point by citing the literature. As when you read all the articles and literatures, remember to acknowledge the findings of other researcher. Clip out those sentences which you want to consider in your research and then write who all were the authors. For example, I like this paper. I have copied those points and mentioned the paper topic, paper authors and publications name for future use.
Number 5. Check if your problem could constitute the critical part of your research.
The most crucial part of your research is to answer the questions and find sustainable solutions to it. So do check if your problems are related with your research questions, and if it is, you're all set for the last step. For example, you want to answer the question, education system in Maharashtra apt for this generation, and if your topic is related to education system in Maharashtra, then we say we have formulated our part.
Number 6. That is the outline of the paper.
Here we sum up all above steps in further 3 points. Firstly, your problem should establish relationship between independent and dependent variable. In our case, we can say relationship between Maharashtra education system is related with the gender. Second, identify the question you would answer. I would answer the question, Maharashtra education system needs change in it. Finally, a problem statement shall be drafted. That's all from our side in this session. Hope you like it and is beneficial for you. All the very best for your project work. Need any guidance, please fill the query link given in the description box and get a guaranteed reply from the Student Research Cell executives.
Signing out on behalf of BK Birla College Student Research Cell. Thank you.